Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Chevy Bolt charging limit settings for longevity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure the Chevy Bolt charging limit settings for longevity, start by entering your vehicle. Sit in the driver's seat and ensure the vehicle is in the on position. Locate the dashboard display, which provides access to various settings. Use the touchscreen to navigate to the settings menu. Find the option labeled charging. Tap on it to access charging preferences. Look for charge limits within this menu. Select the charge limits option to view current settings. You will see options for setting the daily charge limit. For battery longevity, set the limit to 80%. This helps to preserve battery health over time. If you prefer a different limit, adjust it accordingly. After setting the desired percentage, confirm your selection. Next, ensure the departure time settings are correctly configured. This setting allows the vehicle to manage charging during off-peak hours. To adjust these settings, return to the charging menu. Activate the departure time feature if it isn't already on. Select your desired departure time to maximize efficiency. Remember, charging your Bolt to 100% is usually only necessary for long trips. Once everything is set, exit the menu and check the dashboard. You should see your new charging limit displayed. Now you can enjoy driving your Chevy Bolt while knowing your battery is well cared for. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.